Hey everyone, this is Kiana with DKey Creative Media, and today we have a quick tip in the Cricut design space. We're going to look at the group feature versus the attach feature. So if you look here, our object that we have on our desktop, we can move each one of these images around, letters and things like that around by itself. Sometimes when we're doing this, we want to move everything at the same time. So what you would do is select, click group, and then you can move it all as one object without having to worry about maybe forgetting a letter and not moving everything. You even have the option of resizing the artwork and making it bigger, or pretty much, doing whatever you want with it because it's all within one group. Now, if we have the artwork the size that we want it, and say we want to take this to the cut board, look what happens. The letters all move and they go on different boards and things like that. They'll go on the same color, but it's not how you would want to cut it. So we go back, and what you do is, I would select it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for everyone to see. And then we'll look at this. And so because we have multiple colors here, what I like to do is go in first, we'll ungroup it. Then we'll select the first word, which is hospice. And as you can see here, each letter is individualized. And because it's touching, it will cause a cut line to show. So what I like to do is I like to hit weld that together, and then select all of the objects that are the same color. So right now, all of the black objects. And then we'll go to attach. Then I'll select the pink, attach those, the two yellow, attach that. And then since the blue-green is kind of on its own, we can just leave that how it is. Now, when we go to the cut board, you can see everything is on its respective color mat, and it's actually in the space where it needs to be when you decide to put this artwork wherever you're going to apply it to. So that's just a quick tip to keep in mind. The group feature in Cricut Design Space is mainly for your canvas. The attach feature is for your cut board, keeping objects together on the cut board. Thanks again for watching this tutorial with DKey Creative Media on Cricut Design Space. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell to be notified when we upload videos. We upload videos twice a week, so be sure to stop back and check us out.